I invite you now to sit upright as is comfortable for your body, and let's take a nice, long, cleansing, deep breath. Let your body relax. This is a time where we give ourselves a time of rest, deep rest. The way shower and teacher, Jesus the Christ, said, "Come unto me, all who are heavy laden, and I will give you rest." An inner rest that comes from knowing our true self, our true nature. That spirit presence, that God presence that's expressing in and through and as us, which is energy, which is joy, which is love, which is life. Vibrant, healing, renewing, restoring life. So let us release any unnecessary tensions held in the body so that our mind can become quiet, calm, receptive to that divine flow, that spiritual activity expressing in and through and as us. We become aware of the feet, the legs, the calves, the thighs, and we say, relax. Relax. We let our abdomen and stomach relax. We relax the hands, the arms, the shoulders. Just send the message, relax, let go. And notice your muscles relaxing. Relax the muscles in your chest and in your back. Relax and let go. Relaxing your muscles in your neck, the front, the back, the sides of your neck. Relaxing the muscles in your jaw, your cheeks, your eyes, relaxing back in the sockets, your nose, your ears, your lips, your tongue, your scalp and your forehead, all relaxing. Letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go. When Moses was in the wilderness, he heard, "I am that I am." Many times, Jesus said, "I am," identifying with God, Spirit, what we also refer to as the Christ. "I am the good shepherd," he said. "I am the way, the truth, and the life. I am the resurrection and the life." And as you acknowledge your beingness, you too are identifying with I am. I am God, being God as me. I am life, living itself as me, uniquely as me. I am consciousness. I am spirit. I am that I am, being me, like the ocean being the wave. And I invite you to now focus your mind even more further by just observing the flow of your breath, as if you were watching waves flowing on the ocean. Just watch your breathing for a little bit. When your mind wanders, just bring it back to your breath. And what is your favorite reference for spirit? Is it spirit? Is it God? Is it source? Is it the universe? Is it love? Is it the Father, Divine Mother? What is it? I invite you now, as your breath flows in, to mentally think God is, or to use whatever reference you prefer. And as your breath flows out, the words, I am. God is, or Spirit is, on the inhalation. I am on the exhalation. And when your mind wanders, bring it back to the breath, bring it back to the affirmation, the mantra. And now let's take a nice, long, deep breath. And as we exhale, just let go of watching the breath. Let go of the affirmation or the mantra. And just enjoy the stillness. Focus on whatever has drawn your attention within you, whether feelings, light, whatever you might be experiencing within. And now imagine yourself as the I am, as consciousness, as spirit. See yourself as light, radiant light. Feel the warmth of that light and all the good that that light is, radiating forth from the one light in the universe. The light of love, the light of peace, the light of power, the light of creativity, the light of all good, flowing and expressing as you, Feel and see that light radiating forth from you, filling the room where you are. And from this awareness of light, from this high position of faith, let us see our loved ones, our friends, our family, and know for them that they are beings of light, they are spiritual beings as well. Let us not, during this time, focus on limitation. Let us see them as they really are. I am. And know that the light that they are is wholeness, joy, peace, well-being, life, love, and all good. And we expand this awareness to include every person on the planet. Every person. No matter what country. Of course, that includes those in the Ukraine. And those in Russia. And those in every country. Every person a spiritual being. And as a spiritual being, there's harmony, there's peace, there's love, there's joy, there's wisdom, there's strength, there's power, there's creativity. And we include world leaders in this as well. May the light of wisdom, may the light of love, may the light of compassion awaken in all world leaders. Including Putin and all world leaders. Spiritual beings, awaken to your real self. And we enfold our planet in this awareness of Spirit's omnipresence in all of life, everywhere present. And we feel the sense of peace and harmony in that realization. And we let it go now. We let it be. And we bring our awareness now back to the room where we are. Back to our physical body, moving toes, moving fingers, feeling the chair, the ground beneath us, grounding ourselves back in the here and the now, and yet letting that new consciousness that we just awakened, that we just were receptive to let that consciousness guide and direct us throughout in every area of our life. And for this awareness, we are grateful. Amen.
Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.